Hola clase, today we're going to take a look at double object pronouns. This is when you have a direct and an indirect object together. So over here I have indirect objects and direct object pronouns. And as you're going to notice, they're almost the same. These forms are the same, these forms are the same. It's only in the third person forms where they're different, and that's where you have to remember they're different and what the differences are. So we have me, te, le, nos, os, les, that's the indirect. The direct is me, te, lo, la, nos, os, los, las, right? So I got a few example sentences here, and we're gonna dig into this. Yo doy las cartas a ti. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna ask ourselves two questions when we're looking at direct objects. What is being verbed? What is being verbed? That's our first question. To, for whom? So I'm going to switch out my colors here just to make this a little clearer. We'll go with blue. So first sentence we have yo doy las cartas a ti. I give the cards or the letters to you. What is being verbed? What is being given? Right? Well, we have our first one, las cartas. These are the things that are being verbed, are being given. Las cartas, that becomes the direct object. So we're going to go over here and find out las cartas, plural, feminine. We're going to replace this with las, right? To whom or for whom? A ti. And over here, we're going to go with the te. That's pretty easy, right? So when we rewrite this sentence, we know we have to put it at the beginning of doy. The rule goes that we have to put the indirect object first and then the direct object, right? Indirect, then direct. So indirect is usually a person, so think of it, people before things, right? So the people, the indirect before the things. Tú compras los plátanos para mamá. So what is being verbed? What's the verb? Our verb is compras. What is being bought? Los plátanos. Los plátanos is the direct object, so that's los. We go over here and we know it's masculine and plural. Para mamá, we have singular, so we know it's going to be le, right? So when we write this, we're going to put the le first. Tú, le, las, le, los, not las, sorry, compras. There's another rule with this. When you have two L sounds together, le, las, le, los, les, la, whatever, the first one becomes a se. You have to change it. So, tú se los compras. Remember, you have to do that. It's a grammar rule. So down here, quiero comprar los pantalones para ti. I want to buy you the pants. I wish somebody would buy me pants. So what is being bought? What is being verbed? That's our first question. Los pantalones, which is going to be los. Para ti, the to or for whom? For you. So we have two options for rewriting this. We can put it up front, so the indirect first. Te los quiero comprar. But where we have an infinitive, we can also stick it on the end, right? The same rules apply. Quiero comprar te los. And in Spanish, the emphasis can never fall on one of these. These are called clitics. So the emphasis can never fall on the te or the los. So we're going to have an accent to maintain the original pronunciation of the word. And that's it for double object pronouns. Nos vemos.